हाय दोस्तों, गेट एग्जाम ने मुझे सीधा जापान पहुंचा दिया। तो अगर आप लोग भी गेट, सीएस या डीए के एस्पिरेंट्स हैं तो ये वीडियो स्किप मत करना। माय नेम इज सोनू यादव एंड आई एम फ्रॉम बिहार। Right now, I am working as an AI researcher in Japan. But a few years ago, I was a student like you who is preparing for GATE exam. Same pressure, same confusion, and same dream. I prepared for GATE computer science exam, done lot of hard works, and finally cracked the GATE exam. After that, I got IIT Delhi MTech AI offer, and in the campus placement, I got placed in Honda Japan as an AI researcher role. Let me tell you honestly, if I haven't prepared for the GATE exam, then I wasn't be there in Japan. When I was preparing for GATE exam, so as I remember at that time, most of the courses in the market not affordable. They have a huge high fees. Also, the courses felt less like a GATE, more like a PhD oriented. By making the courses too lengthy, they generally used to charge very high fees. So, what is the main problem? The main problem is that GATE aspirant does not have 2 to 3 years to just prepare for GATE exam only. They have limited time. IIT know you are a BTech guy, not a PhD guy. So, they set the questions according to BTech oriented, not the PhD oriented. GATE exam is not a super hard. It's a normal exam if you prepare well, and GATE focus oriented if you prepare, then you will be able to crack easily. You don't need to consuming the lot of lectures, lengthy lectures like you are doing the PhD in all the subjects. That is not needed. You will learn everything in detail in your masters in PhD. So in GATE, just study for GATE oriented, you have to do lot of different thing also. You have to also prepare for coding. Also, you have to make the projects in machine learning. You also have to develop the development skills. Not only GATE. Understand? That's the big problem at that time. But somehow I managed. And as you know me, I already made a lot of video that before coming to IIT, I didn't know anything about programming. Why? Because of most of my time went in GATE preparation only. Because no any clear path. There are a lot of big courses. Lot of concepts I have to study, and also there are a lot of jargons that are not even needed for GATE exam.
Yes, Sonu shared his journey from GATE to Japan, and your journey can be like that too. Guys, this is Vishal, co-founder of CS and AI. हमारा launching day है CS and AI का 25th of April. 25th of April 2026 को हम launch करने जा रहे हैं GATE DA के best courses, no wasting hours के साथ, बहुत ही compact और GATE oriented पूरा course होगा जिसमें आपको मिलने वाले हैं हर एक टॉपिक पे एक्सप्लेनेशन लेक्चर्स और PYQs हर एक टॉपिक के आपको सॉल्व करवाए जाएंगे रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स में। और मिलता है प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस का एक बहुत अच्छा खासा बैंक जिसके अंदर आपको मिलेंगे थाउजेंड्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस। आपको मिलता है टेस्ट सीरीज जिसमें भी थाउजेंड्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस है। अराउंड 3000 क्वेश्चंस हमारे पास है टेस्ट सीरीज एंड प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन में विद एक्सप्लेनेशन एंड विद 3 लेवल्स लाइक इजी, मीडियम एंड हार्ड। आप प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चंस दे सकते हैं क्विज एंड टेस्ट मोड में। टेस्ट सीरीज का जो प्लेटफॉर्म है वो डिटो गेट प्लेटफॉर्म के जैसा है, सो इट वुड बी सिमिलर लाइक गेट एग्जाम। 25th of April को आपको मिलेगा 90% डिस्काउंट। Yes, on 25th of April at 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. 90% discount will be on all courses, and the offer code is CSandAI. CSandAI. CSandAI in a small letter. This is the offer code, coupon code for 90% discount on 25th of April at 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. From 7 p.m. to midnight on 25th of April, the discount would be 80%, and from 26th April to 30th of April, the discount would be 70% on all GATE DA courses, like individual courses for each subject or complete course, practice questions, test series on each product. You will get the discount with the coupon code CS and AI in small letter. Apply the code and get the discount. Enroll yourself. If you have any query, then just WhatsApp us on 852 9939 058 and visit csandai.com. Enroll yourself now. Thank you.